Love the live auction. Thanks for that, guys. Appreciate it. Hey, everybody, it's Tom at Rip Kings. We're doing a 10-box case break of 2012-13 Panini Preferred Basketball. I'm going to go ahead and do a quick roll call, and we're going to get started. Had a little bit of fun with the live draft. Thanks, everybody. Brad has the 76ers. Cole with the Trailblazers, Knicks, Spurs, and Grizzlies. EJ with the Lakers, Cavaliers, Warriors, Hornets, Hawks, and the Nets. Eugene M with the Bucks. Jeff M with the Pacers. Joe S with the Thunder, Clippers, and Rockets. John L with the Nuggets. Kunching with the Suns. Mark R with the Pistons. Natalie P with the Heat. Paul C with the Bulls. Ryan C with the Magic and the Jazz. Scott H with the Celtics. Thomas P with the Kings and the Bobcats. John L with the Raptors. Adam with the Wizards. Natalie P with the Mavericks. And Gene A. Gene A with the T-Wolves. Yeah, Gene, I got it. I might need your zip code. Send me your home zip code as well. I think I have it, but just email it to me just in case. All right. Minnesota, eh? Are you in Minnesota? 555. Is that Iowa or something? Somewhere in the Midwest. Oh, wow, that is Minnesota. Minnesota. All right. And remember, I don't know if you guys were here for the explanation of the books, but if you were in the breaks before, you know how we do the books. If you missed my explanation, my very thorough explanation, and have any questions, let me know now before the break starts, and I will do my best to answer them. Or somebody will. Matt will help out, or somebody in the room will definitely help out. All right. Good luck to everybody that's here for the first time. We appreciate you coming out to Rip Kings. I got all this stuff in my way. I got to move that over. We appreciate everybody coming out tonight. All right. Our first hit of the evening, Silhouette for the Golden State Warriors. Charles Jenkins, 34 out of 99. 34 out of 99. Our triangular card coming up. This is actual size, everybody. This is life size right here. Spud Webb for the Atlanta Hawks. Spud Webb for the Hawks. 58 out of 74. That's our third one, I believe. And for the Lakers, Kurt Rambis. 44 out of 49 for the Lakers. Kurt Rambis. And all of the Kobe packs, as usual, are opened last. Our first book, inducted, 74 out of 99. So left to right, we have Dennis Rodman, Robert Parrish, Chris Mullin, Clyde Drexler, David Robinson, Stockton to Malone, and Scottie Pippen. So let's take a quick peek and see if someone's got this in its entirety. So the Jazz are Ryan C. and the Bulls are Paul C. So that knocks out 4 right there. EJ has Golden State. The Celtics are Scott H. I think that'll just about do it. The Rockets are John L. So we're going to a random on that one. Nobody's going to own more than 2 teams on that one. So that's our first one. That's going to the random. I suspect we have a couple of teams left in break number 2, which will start promptly after break number 1. So I strongly urge anyone that may be interested to get in on that one. Can you guys see that book? No. I don't know if Rubio's in this, Mr. Gene. Another silhouette coming up. For the Phoenix Suns, Markieff Morris. Markieff Morris, 44 out of 99 for the Suns. That's a nice sign. I like seeing all the silhouettes. And our Panini Choice Award goes to Michael Finley. Michael Finley. 3 out of 15. Matt, is he a Proviso East product? There's a hit for the Mavs. 3 out of 15. Michael Finley. Next hit. 38 out of 50. For the Pistons, Mark Aguirre. Mark Aguirre. 38 out of 50. Very nice. Rookie book. 63 out of 249. Kyrie. Cantor. Derek Williams. Valanciunas. Tristan Thompson. And Jan Vesely. So the Cavs with 2, that's EJ. The Jazz, Ryan. The T-Wolves went to Gene. And the Raptors, John L. So that one's going to the random as well. The first silhouette was Charles Jenkins for the Warriors. We've had a few Mavs. All right. Box 3, pack 1. Markieff Morris for the Phoenix Suns. For the Cavaliers, Tristan Thompson. 34 out of 99. You just get excited when you see a Cavs auto. 2 choice awards in this box. And these are always so much fun to open. For the Orlando Magic, Nikola Vucevic. 40 out of 49. For the Magic. I was going to say, this feels redemption-y. That's pretty sweet. Let me get something to block this up with. Hang on. Let's just do it with the Kobe pack. All right, here we go. Silhouette Prime. Silhouette Prime. Card number 206. 206. John Stockton for the Jazz. John Stockton. That's probably a much better card than you think, Moose. That might actually be able to fit the entire pair of shorts in the window that John Stockton wore. Very nice hit right there. And our book is going to go to one person today. I don't think I've ever seen an entire person in one book, have we? Oh, yeah, maybe we have. 143 out of 199 for the San Antonio Spurs. Tim Duncan. Tim Duncan for the Spurs. So there's one of the 2 books that I call that will not have to be randomed off tonight. 143 out of 199. All right. Pride of Lincoln. Where do you go? Lyons Township? Stockton? Or am I? No, I'm thinking of Hornacek. Never mind. All right. Moving right along. Another hit for the Jazz. 6 out of 25. Enes Kanter. Enes Kanter. I'll give you a double boom. How about a ba-boom? Snagging up a Kanter and the Stockton. 6 out of 25. Rookie Crown Royal Signatures. Malik Waynes. Malik Waynes. I'm not going to lie. I don't know what team Malik Waynes is on. I don't know the travel habits of one Malik Waynes. Will Barton for the Portland Trailblazers. 56 out of 99. Crown. Silver Crown. Yeah, this one was the prime. And the second book that I declared would go to one team. 194 out of 199. The Los Angeles Lakers. Kobe Bryant, Paul Gasol, Darius Morris, Metta World Peace, Darius Johnson Odom, and Robert Sacker. My redemption, Dave? Yeah, this is the Silhouette Prime. This should be out of 25. That Stockton should be at a 25, I believe, right, Dave? All right, box 5. Where's my low numbered books? Come on. Anybody tell me what team Malik Waynes was on? All right, here we go. Panini's Choice Green. Panini Choice Green. Horace Grant. Horace Grant. Boom! What's the green out of 5? Dave, you hit the Kyrie gold. Are the golds not out of 10? We'll confirm because I don't know. I'm hoping the Horace. I think the Horace Grant would be in a Bulls uniform. I'm just not 100% sure. Does it tell us? All right, here we go for the Dallas Mavericks. Rolando Blackman. 17 out of 74. Another Mavs hit. The Mavs are on fire. Another silhouette for the Charlotte Bobcats. Bismack Biyombo. 36 out of 99. 36 out of 99. There you go. And our book says the word rebound on it. $58 out of $199. Let's take a peek who's on this one. Blake Griffin. Ben Wallace. Dennis Robinson in a Spurs uniform. Zildrunas Ilgauskas. Shaquille O'Neal with hair. Dirk Nowitzki and Dikembe Mutombo. I'm going to assume this is going to the random. Let me just double check. Clippers. Joe S. Pistons. Mark R. Spurs. Where are my Spurs at? Cole. Cavaliers. EJ. Lakers. EJ. And only need one more of them to not be EJ. The Mavericks are Natalie P. So that's in the random. Random. Ho Grant was not the Mavs. No. Did he ever play for the Mavs? All right. Moving right along. 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is box number 6. All right. We got it. For the T-Wolves. Derek Williams, rookie silhouette. 11 out of 99. 11 out of 99. Derek Williams, the team that went on a bidding frenzy. Gene A. Derek Williams. Panini Choice Red Rookies. Card number 554. Terrence Ross. Terrence Ross? You had a nice Mark Aguirre auto for the Pistons. A Panini Choice Award. Another hit for the Magic, Gustavo Ayala. Where are they picking up these guys with these names? 35 out of 99. Gustavo Ayala. Let me show you real quick. It was this one. There's the Mark Aguirre. Our booklet, 54 out of 199 draft. John Wall, Derek Favors, DeMarcus Cousins, Steph Curry, Brandon Jennings, Jeff Teague, and Ty Lawson. I believe this one too. Adam, Ryan. The Kings are Thomas P. The Warriors, EJ. The Bucks, Eugene. Yeah, that's going to the random. That one will be randomed off at the end. Are we still, Dave, are we still talking about that? It's still a fantastic card. Whichever if it's numbered out of 10, 20, 30. Where are my low numbered books? Come on. Must be in the next case. Alright, a Panini Choice Award coming up. For the Dallas Mavericks, Jared Cunningham. 97 out of 99. The Mavericks raking it in. Is that their third auto, Moose? Not that you're keeping track. Panini Choice Silver. I'm sorry, blue. I don't even know what color I'm looking at. For the Cavaliers, Tyler Zeller. 42 out of 49. 42 out of 49. And another Panini Choice Award. Let's hope this one's really low numbered. Seven out of 10 for the Lakers. Steve Nash. Steve Nash.
An Italian monk strap shoes in the office say, "Casual Friday? Don't be ridiculous."
Are you asking me if I'm testy? I'm not testy at all. I'm breaking cards and I'm loving life right now. Buckets. 138 out of 199. Ray Allen for the Heat. Peja Stojakovic for the Pelicans. Jimmer Fredette for the Kings. Klay Thompson for the Warriors. Norris Cole for the Heat. Mark Price. Which one of these doesn't belong? And Manu Ginobili for the Spurs. I think this one too will go to a random. Who's got the Heat? Natalie. The Hornets. EJ. The Kings. Thomas P. The Warriors. EJ. The Heat have two. Natalie P. The Cavs. EJ. And the Spurs. Oh, so close. That's going to a random. A random. Let's do it, Hawks. That was a late start tonight, too. John, did you see the book? If you look at why I say he doesn't belong, I'm not saying he doesn't belong on the card itself. There's just not one. I mean, he's like, he could be everyone on this card's grandfather. That was the point I was trying to make. I didn't say he doesn't belong as a scorer, but if you look at who's on the card is what I was trying to say. Bob Love for the Chicago Bulls. 22 out of 49. Bob Love. This feels pretty thick. I wouldn't mind seeing a ridiculous silhouette patch. I don't know if he's any good, but I just said I wouldn't mind seeing a ridiculous silhouette patch. And I saw a ridiculous silhouette patch. So we're going to come back to that. For the Milwaukee Bucks, John Henson. 59 out of 99 for the Bucks. Pretty cool looking patch in here. For the Toronto Raptors, Jose Calderon. Oh, this one's out of 10. 9 out of 10. And look at that patch. It's the C and the A from Calderon. So that's a nice big hit for you, John. Boom! Pretty cool looking patch. And the book says 132 out of 199 repeat. Lakers, Rockets, Bulls. Rockets, Joe S. Lakers, EJ, and the Bulls, Paul C. So we have Kobe Bryant and Derek Fisher, Clyde Drexler and Hakeem Olajuwon, and Tony Kukoc and Scottie Pippen. So that's a 1 in 3 chance for those guys. I don't know. I haven't seen one in this product, that's for sure. Finally, a lower numbered book. Not a number 1 of 1, though. Redemption. Panini Choice Red Rookie. $5.67. And if you know your checklist like I do, Darius Miller. Darius Miller. For the Pistons again, 68 out of 99, Brandon Knight. Brandon Knight for the Pistons. This is box number 9. Box 10 is coming up shortly after. I don't know if we've got any teams left. We got a couple, I'm guessing. For the Indiana Pacers, Orlando Johnson. 22 out of 99. 22 out of 99. Orlando Johnson. And our book out of 25. So this probably should be some pretty nasty looking patches, I'm hoping. 24 to 25 veterans. Oh yeah, there it is. Manu Ginobili, straight black, but Spencer Hawes with a 2-color patch. D. Rose is in there. Nice patch right there. Paul Pierce, Pau Gasol, Daniel Gibson, and John Salmons. John Salmons. The Pelicans are not present on this card. But let's take a peek. The Spurs. I keep feeling like I keep saying the same names over and over again. The Spurs. I can't see right at the present moment. The 76ers are... Spurs are Cole. 76ers are Brad. The Bulls are Paul. And the Celtics are Scott H. And the Lakers are EJ. Cavaliers are EJ. And the Kings. So that's going to a random as well. Veterans out of 25. All right. Box number 10. Then we get to the randoms. Then we get on to case number 2. Can't forget, though, somewhere in there I got to do the Kobe packs. No, the Kobe cards go to the Lakers. But we do open them up. This card wanted to pop out of the box first. So we will open it. For the New York Knickerbockers, Chris Copeland. Looks like he signed that with a magic marker or something. 22 out of 49. Terrible marker there. Looks like he was on his 900th signature of the day. Redemption. Let's look at that last, just in case. Another Choice Award coming up. For the Orlando Magic, another Orlando Magic, Kyle O'Quinn. Kyle O'Quinn, 34 out of 99. Magic did well in the first break. Let's see what we got for our redemption. Panini Choice Gold Rookies. So, Paul, what are we saying these are number 2? Panini Choice Gold Rookies. What are these? Is this the one you pulled, Paul? A gold rookie? Boom! Kyrie Irving! He's staying hot! Unbelievable! Holy cow! Where's the duck? Boom! Kyrie, Kyrie, Kyrie. Luol Deng. No, it's Kyrie Irving, baby. EJ has the Cavs. We're disputing whether it's the 10 or the 25, but regardless, I actually hit 2 of these. Is this the same card that I hit for you, Dave? If it's actually the 10 and I hit 2 of them, that's ridiculous. And our book, Rookies, 66 out of 249. Kemba Walker, Kyrie Irving, Brandon Knight, Bradley Beal, Damian Lillard, and Dion Waiters. So EJ may have a snap chance to get this one too. So the Cavaliers, he's got 2. The Bobcats are Thomas P. The Pistons are Mark R. The Trailblazers are... Who's got the Blazers? Cole. And so that's going to a random as well. What's the so what do we confirm the Kyrie is out of? A little bit more, 25. Oh, for you, I hit the Crown Royal Sig. Okay. Gotcha. All right. Let's get to the Kobe packs. I'm so pumped up. I jacked up another Kyrie here. So that one's to 10. And I got Dave the Crown Royal Sig Gold out of 25. No. He's saying I pulled the Crown Royal Sig out of 25. So I'm hot with the Kyries, man. I'm gonna start buying the Cavaliers for myself. The Cavaliers were on fire in this break. They hit every auto, I think. And EJ the Duck. Of course I can. Hey, John, I hit a Kyrie silhouette out of a one-box mixer the other night. I'm like Macklemore. They call me I'm like, oh, he's a cold-ass honky. All right, let's get to the Laker packs. And then the books, and then case number 2. Let's see if we can find something cool in here. Kobe. Where'd you say the numbers were on these, Matt? In the upper left corner? What's that? Red All-Star jersey. Kobe's. You never know what's coming out of case number 2. Let's not forget the last time I did this. I hit that crazy Harrison Barnes, and I think I had a Kyrie, and then case number 2 had 2 1-of-1s. Kobe. So I'm more than confident that I could keep hitting stuff. Alrighty. Yeah, that Calderon patch is ridiculous. Alright, let's go to the random. Oh. Kyrie, my guy. Hey, man, I'm thinking I'm pulling Kyrie's like I'm pulling Mike Martin's. The Henson was numbered to 99. All right, so here we go. I like to do these in order of numbered on the card. 199, 199, 199, 199, 199. 249, and then a 99er. All right, so the first one up is going to be the rookies out of 249. 249. I'm going to be looking like this one here. Boom. Move some stuff around here. So we have the Bobcats, Cavaliers, Pistons, and another Cavalier. So 2 Cavaliers on this card. 3. This is going to go 6 times, so good luck, everybody. There's number 1. The Cavaliers are on the top. Here we go. Number 2. Cavaliers on the top. Number 3. Trailblazers. Number 4. Cavaliers. Number 5, Cavaliers. 6th and final time, The Pistons snagging up the rookie book. Hold on, I gotta write these down. So this is rookie 66 out of 249. Going to the Pistons. Alrighty, that's book number 1. Oh, here comes the other rookie book. This one's 63 out of 249. Is this the exact same book? No, it's a little bit different. So that's book number 2 that we're going to random off. Here we go. So this one has the Cavaliers, Jazz, Timberwolves, Raptors, Cavaliers again, and Vesely is on the Wizards. All right, 3 times on this one. Good luck, everybody. Raptors on top, that's 1. Number 2, Wizards. Number 3, Cavaliers. Number 4, the Raptors. Number 5, Cavaliers. Last time, the Jazz. The Jazz snag up that one. Let's just sell out so Tom doesn't have to worry about doing the auction. Even though I don't mind it, it's fun. So the Jazz get book number 2. We're going to go to the rebound book now. 58 out of 199. Clippers are in here. Pistons again. Spurs with Dennis Rodman. Cavaliers have been in every book so far. Lakers, Mavericks, and the Rockets. All right, so this one's going 7 times. Oh, I love doing the auctions. They're a blast. The Spurs, 1. Clippers, 2. Cavaliers, 3. Spurs, 4. Rockets, 5. Pistons, 6. Last time, the Cavaliers snag rebound book, 58 out of 199. All right. Next book, The Draft. Number 54 out of 199. Wizards. Jazz. Kings making an appearance. Warriors come out and play. Yay. The Bucks. The Hawks, and the Nug-Nugs, the Nuggets, the Nuggleheads. This is going 7 times. 1, Warriors. 2, there's the Kings. The Warriors again. The Kings again. The Wizards this time, number 5. Number 6, the Bucks, 7th time. Good luck, everybody. The Hawks. The Atlanta Hawks snagged the draft book. $54 out of $199. That's going to the Hawks. Next book, Buckets. Buckets. We may have some left in the second one. Mazie's taking the Wizards, Rip Queens. All right. They're already gone. All right, I gotta tell Pandora that I'm still listening. Hold on. Send me to a commercial. All right, so we have the. Thanks, Dave. Heat, Hornets, Kings, Warriors, Heat, Cavaliers, and Spurs. This one's going 7 times. Warriors on top. Warriors at 2. Heat 3. Heat 4. Cavaliers 5. Heat 6. Final time, the Spurs snag another book. Buckets. All right. Maisie, you want the T-Wolves or the Pacers? Next book up for grabs. Repeat. 132 out of 199. Where's my music at? Come on. Oh, I don't think we got to this one yet for somebody. Two Lakers. Oh, this is the one with the Lakers, Rockets, Bulls. All right, 6 times on this one. Good luck while we bring it home with the Humpty Dance. Number 1, the Rockets. Number 2, the Lakers. Number 3, the Bulls. Number 4, the Rockets. Number 5, the Rockets. 6th and final time, the Lakers. All right, next book, Inducted. Look at this, Brad. This version's kid-friendly. All right, so this book has Bulls, Celtics, Warriors, Rockets, Spurs, Jazz, Bulls. So this is going to go 8 times. EJ, I don't think I can play 2 Live Crew. All right, the Jazz, number 1. The Spurs. The Jazz, 3. I could probably find some DJ Magic Mike. The Bulls, number 4. The Jazz, number 5. Bulls 6, Bulls 7, and number 8, the Celtics. The Celtics snagging up this one. Inducted. Abducted. 74 out of 99 to the Celtics. And our big patch book of veterans. Ooh-wee, ooh, ooh-wee, ooh. Fast Eddie. I thought I was the only one who knew who Fast Eddie was. All right, this book has the Spurs, 76ers, Bulls, Celtics, Lakers, Cavaliers, and the Kings. Yeah, I'll throw some NWA. Oh, I got a great NWA song for you. All right, here we go. Number 1, the Cavaliers. 2, Spurs. This goes 7 times. 3, 76ers. 4, Los Bulls. 5, Celtics. 6, Celtics. Last book of the night, last random of the night for this case by case number 1. Then we go on to case number 2. Good luck, everybody. The Spurs. Jordan is exclusive to Upper Deck, I believe. So the Spurs snagged up 3 of the books, I believe. All right. I'm going to get this quickly cleaned up. And I'm going to bring in the next case. All right, hold on. Some of you may have never heard this before. Hold on. All right, Rip Queens, can you send me the sales sheet? Oh, and that's it for break number 1. Thanks everybody for coming out. This is Tom at Rip Kings. www.ripkings.com. Go there for future breaks. We're going to get started with case 2 shortly. Thanks, everybody.